Bluboo officially landed in the Philippines just this month, and one of their offerings is the Bluboo S8. It sports a 5.7-inch 18:9 display, MediaTek MT6750T octa-core chipset, 3GB RAM, and a very familiar design. The name alone says it all, as it looks very similar to the Samsung Galaxy S8. Design-wise, it looks good. Even though it imitates the Galaxy S8, the feel and specs are totally different. Up front is a 5.7-inch IPS display with 1440 by 720 resolution, which equates to 282p, and an 18:9 aspect ratio. Placed above it is the earpiece, sensors, notification light, and 8MP front camera. Since it uses on-screen navigation buttons, the bottom part doesn't have capacitive keys. Covering the entire front is a 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 4. Flip it on its back and you will see the dual rear cameras consisting of a 13MP main and 3MP secondary, the dual LED flash, and fingerprint scanner. The placement reminds us of the Samsung Galaxy A8, 2018. The back panel, on the other hand, is made of plastic, but the glossy finish and metallic paint job give an impression that it is glass.